Ensonga z'ettemangalo ezabuliramu ensimbi z'abakozi esooba mu buwumbi 11 natezezzeemu oluvannyuma lw'akakiiko akaateekebwawo Paalamenti okunoonyereza ku mivuyo gy'ekitongole gya NSSF okukizuula nti Naggagga Amos Nzeyi agaanye okwa NSSF ettaka lyabwe.
You don't even have full possession of Temangalo land.
Is what he's actually giving us as the wetland. And then we actually asked him, can you please give us equal land, like what you have on that hill? And he gave us some more wetland.
Singa Nzeyi agaana okuwaayo ettaka lino kiki ekigenda okuddirira?
And we are now going to go back to the courts of law to give those findings.
When the statement continues, what are you going to do?
Abaka babadde bali mu nteekateeka ey'okuyita David Chand Jamwa eyali ssenkulu w'ekitongole kino okubeerako byannyonnyola. Munnamateeka wa NSSF David Mpanga n'akabatema nga bwe kitakyasoboka. Bagenza okwetegeeza nga Mpanga yali munnamateeka wa Jamwa ng'ate n'ekisali bwe guli.
We need to know what conditions you follow, what are the laws governing you in terms of sourcing lawyers, because here we are seeing a conflict of interest.
Well, I apologize for losing it, but I have a history. Mr. Sewung went to my grandfather's funeral and stood on the microphone and started telling everybody, with my parents in their presence, this is last month, how NSSF has a lot of problems. Now that forum was purely installing an heir. We are praying for.
Oluvannyuma ababaka bataamye ne beebuuza engeri Mpanga gy'ayingira mu nsonga za NSSF ng'ate amanyiddwa nti yali musaale nnyo era nga ye yawa NSSF amagezi mu biseera ensimbi z'abakozi we zaabulira.
Mr. Mpanga is representing Jamwa in court. Now he is here advising you.
Witnesses appearing before the committee are entitled to representation under your rules. Rule 199.
The former MD just told you that is the right guy you should come with.
I have never seen Chandi Jamwa in my whole entire life.
I will
tell you that now.
Mr. Chairman, Mr.
I have never seen him. I have never spoken to him.
Mr. Chairman, I think this is...
I see him in the papers.
Whatever case you are handling on behalf of Jamwa, would not like to see you here, because Jamwa has a question mark.
Oluvannyuma ababaka bataamye ne bagoba Mpanga mu kakiiko nga bagamba nti si muntu omutuufu okuwolereza ekitongole kino kubanga emivuyo gyonna egibadde okumpi abaddengawo.
First of all, it is putting a question marks why NSSF lawyer has got to go and defend a former NSSF MD, and now he's here to defend an acting MD.
The people who are attacking me right now will one day...
Order, Mr. Chairman.
I will not rule on the first order.
He has not raised
will one day need my services.
Order, Mr. Chairman.
You are not supposed to
Mr. Chairman, I will represent them fearlessly.
Order, Mr. Chairman.
As I do everybody and professionally.
Order, Mr. Chairman.
But, Mr. Chairman, if it is necessary
Mr. Chairman.
for the people who are misbehaving and
Order, Mr. Chairman.
Order, Mr. Chairman. If what is necessary, Mr. Chairman,
Order, Mr. Chairman.
I will recuse myself.
In view of what you have heard, can you advise your client to Jamwa to appear in this committee? Because you advised him.
No, Mr. Chairman.
Now can you advise him to come?
Mr. Chairman, the question, if I may answer it directly, is premised on a false premise. Permit me to address the falsity of the premise. I did not, capital N-O-T, did not advise Mr. Jamwa not to attend this committee.
Mpanga aleba mutabukidde kwe kusalawo okufuluma.